Hello, I'm Abby and I'm a tie-dye artist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow ice dye tent. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need a blank tent, Tulip one-step tie-dye kit in Ultimate, a sink or washing up bowl, cling film or plastic bag, latex gloves, ice cubes, washing machine. Put on your gloves. Dampen the tent fabric with water so it is damp but not dripping wet. I'm scrunching this design, and because it's so big, I can put it straight into the washing up bowl without bands. You may require some help for this section. Arrange your project so it sits comfortably in the container. Now I'm covering the whole project with ice cubes until I can't see any fabric poking through. Choose your colours. I'm using the colours purple violet, fuchsia, turquoise, lime and yellow from the Tulip one-step tie-dye kit. I want this to look like a rainbow, so I'm going to add my pink first in a diagonal stripe. Add your dye with a spoon. Next, I'm taking my yellow and adding another stripe, slightly overlapping the pink dye. Keep doing this with all the colours until your fabric is covered. I used lime next. Then turquoise. Finishing with purple in the opposite top corner. Put the plastic container into a plastic bag or cover with cling film and put somewhere warm so the ice melts and the dye penetrates the fabric. The next day you can carefully remove your fabric and rinse it under cold running water. When the water runs clear, put it into the washing machine for a final rinse. Dry away from direct heat and reassemble your tent. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next project or learn a new skill. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments.